Hey everyone, today in this video I'm going to show you how to change the vacuum bag on the eufy S2 station. If you're interested in the S2 or you want to find out more about it, the link to it will be in the video description. So at the Docker station, you'll want to remove the clean water tank. That's the first tank available. And the vacuum bag is hidden under here. There's a little arrow and a red icon. You could just go ahead and press that and it opens up. It will open up. It's kind of spring-loaded. Here's your vacuum bag already installed. You want to remove the old one. It should be nice and full. Make sure you have this plastic piece up to prevent all of that dirt and dust coming back out. Discard the old bag. Take your new one. You're going to line it up in reverse order, and it just goes right in there. It slots in. You can push the bag down a little bit. Make sure that the plastic piece is back down too, the clear piece. Then just snap it shut. Put your clean water tank back on and you're all set and ready to go.